Peace and grand rising to all at Earth and worldwide. Today is the first day of Elul 5785 on the ancient Hebrew Israelite calendar. It is also 2025. The month is August, and it is the 25th day of August on the ancient moon calendar. It is 2026 on the ancient sun calendar. It is also on the Mayan calendar. The long count is 13.0.12.15.10, which is Zolkin, or the 6th of Olk. On the ancient Islamic calendar, it is the first day of Rabi, 1447. Today is also day 1 of week 35 of 2025 on the where weeks strongs rather are counted. It is the 4th day of Sarivar, 1404 on the Persian calendar. It is 19 Nahas, 2017 on the Ethiopic calendar. It is 19 Misra, 1741 on the Coptic calendar. And the Chinese cycle is 78, the year 42, and it is month 7 and day 3 on the Chinese calendar. The Julian day is 2,460,913. I am Sovereign Living Justice, Pauline Denise Ritchie. My free chosen sovereign appellation is Light Tajiri Bay. All rise and stand and remain standing into perpetuity and according to the ancient Noahide laws as stated by this Holy Congress, by this Holy Court. This is a Sovereign Living Ancient Article 3 Moorish American Al-Moroccan Universal Court action. We are the Sovereign Divine Living Justices and Ego Sum Pauline Denise Ritchie. My free chosen sovereign appellation is Light Tajiri Bay. All are in capitis diminutio nolo in red ink, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes. We are capit et corpus juris legalis, which is our statement that we are the one and only lawful and legal natural living head and body for the empire. All Moors are the divine, original, indigenous, sovereign, ancient, Al-Moroccan, Moorish American ascendants of the great pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites, Canaanites, Shemites, Israelites, Cushites, and Hittites. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our honor, our credit, and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the original, indigenous, natural, divine, sovereign, ancient Moroccan Empire. We're the de jure Moorish National Republic federal government. We are ancient Washington District for Columbia. We're the Universal Moorish American Consulate and the Earthwide Article 3 Moorish American Consular Court. Today, we are the law by our sovereign status, which is the original, indigenous, natural, divine, sovereign, ancient Article 3, living United States District for Columbia Court, and we are the sovereign fiduciaries, original creditors, executors, divine ministers. We are the possessors, grantors, grantors, and title trustors for all causes for action. And our system is the trustee. We are peace. We are one nation, one state, one empire, and one God. We hereby recognize ourselves and accept our own sovereign divine ascension. We do possess in our custody all land, all natural resources, and all commerce. We, the one true living God nation, are not at war. We are not at war. We're not confused. And we are all eternal, ancient, original sovereign rights at this time and at all points in time, nunc pro tunc. This particular movement that this court in particular and specifically is doing, is placing on the public record, is a movement, verdict, and justice by this court to unseal, which is to unveil, each and every document that this court has placed on the public record since time immemorial. The main difference between sealed and unsealed documents is public access. And when we say sealed and unsealed, our documents always have our seals on them. So in reality, this means just an unveiling so that the public can see every document that we've placed on the record, everyone, in every cause for action. And this cause for action is also for all Moors who agree that their documents are unsealed by this action and unveiled. So our documents remain the way that we sent them. They remain intact as we place them. All of our seals and signs and symbols stay on them. We just unveil them so that the public can see them all. So that is the main difference between sealed and unsealed, is that sealed documents, the public does not get to see the sealed documents, although they are still a part of the record, whereas unsealed, or unveiled rather, they can, and those mean the same. Unsealed and unveiled mean the same, because our stamps and seals are always on our documents. So with that being stated, justification has to be given whenever a court is unsealing or unveiling documents. Or if a document is to be sealed, then the court has the authority to seal them so that they're not made available to the public. So the justification for unveiling all documents for all matters signed or autographed by me, the one and only original sovereign Pauline Denise Ritchie, for the matters that we have attended to, and this is aside from the congressional matters, but these are personal matters. All of those matters, the documents are hereby unveiled. All the court actions, all the videos, all are unveiled and unsealed for the purpose of public viewing, public study, public affirmation, public action, and public witnessing. All capacities are included. So regardless of what I was autographing for, whether in the capacity of Chief Justice, whether in the capacity of fiduciary, attorney with facts, all other, even in, again, the personal matters that we placed on the public record while we were saving ourselves, they are all hereby unsealed and unveiled so that the public can see them. This sovereign court justice stands and is the law. And also, this coming Sunday, which will be 2025 on the ancient moon calendar, it'll be August the 31st, the Congress will vote on unveiling, or in court language, it's called unsealing, all documents, laws, and all other that the Congress has placed on the public record to date. And this action, again, is for all Moors who have ever put documents on the public record. And if you are in agreement with what we're doing, then your documents are hereby unsealed as well. Because what we do not just for ourselves, but for everyone. With that being stated, peace and grand rising to all at earth and worldwide. Islam, this sovereign justice stands and is the law. Islam.